Hey guys, it's Jan, not a real farm. So guys, Christmas is approaching really quick, and we're at sort of that time of the year where I like to put floodlights inside the greenhouse so that we can light it up and change it all kinds of different colors throughout the holiday season. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop on down to the greenhouse here and plug in my floodlight and then change the settings on it so you guys can see what the dome looks like at night when the Christmas lights are turned on. Let's see what I got here. So we've got all the different colors. We've got orange, coral, gold, navy, indigo. And now I just have to set it to do sort of a fade maybe. Let's see how that changes colors. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait until it gets dark and show you guys what that looks like on the outside of the dome. All right, guys, so here is the dome at night. So I've got it on alternating colors for Christmas. And so the little segment that you see there that has no light coming through it is where my insulation is sitting inside the greenhouse on the panels. And I'll get around to the front so you can see. Okay, we're getting around to the front of it here. Ooh, it's chilly out tonight. So here we go. So this is what we do for Christmas. So you can see closely onto the right, my light is at the right-hand side. And then what it does is we just have it on alternating. And it shows pretty cool from the road too. So it is kind of neat when you have these sort of panels. You can play around with the colors. You can put projectors against the panels at Christmas time just for fun like we do. Being able to do that actually adds to the fun of decorating with lights for Christmas. Let's take a look and see what it looks like from the road. And here we have it. I'm pretty much at the end of my driveway. And so when people pass by, not only do they see the Christmas lights in the background from the house, but they can also see the greenhouse changing colors from the road, which is quite neat. See you soon.